Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can change the language on your YouTube app. So if you find this video helpful, please give it a like and make sure you subscribe for more useful tutorials. So all you need to do is open up YouTube and click on your profile icon on the bottom right, and you should see a settings cog on the top right, so just click on there. Once you're on here, just go to General, and then you should see near the top App Language, so you want to click on there. And obviously this will just bring up all the languages that are available, so you can select whichever one you want to use. So once you tap on it, this will just let you know. This will change the language used in the app, including buttons, texts and dialogues. So if you're happy with all that, just select change, and that will automatically change the language on your YouTube app. Thanks for watching.